Guys, hello, good morning everyone. Happy Monday, first day of school today. All the students need to go back to school now. I stay here for a while to have sunlight. Because we need sunlight, normal and natural vitamin D from sunlight every morning. Stay here in the balcony for how many minutes to have sunlight. This is the first week of the month because last week is not whole week for month of January. We start January 1, I think Wednesday. I hope my mind will already sit in 2025 because last 2 days ago my mind's I'm thinking that I'm still in 2024. I forgot that it's already January 2025. I'm feeling that there is something behind in 2024. You wanna see the sun, guys? The sun. I show you the sun. That's the sun. See? The sun came out very late. It's already 8 o'clock. Because this time is winter. That's why the sun is coming late. The night is longer than the day. Very cold. That's why I'm always wearing jacket. It's so cold. The aircon is cold when you go out of the house also. The wind is cold. That's why. That's why I want to have a sunlight every morning. In the afternoon, I cannot see the sun from here because the sunset is in the other side. But I love the sun, the moon, the star. What I can see here every evening is the moon and the stars from the sky. I love the things that God created. Like the moon, the star, the sun. Because I love the nature. In the sea, my favorite thing to do every day off, now that I don't have school and I'm not yet started with my OGT, I love to go walking in the seaside to smell the sea salt from the wind from the sea, and while praying or meditate beside the sea, I feel that when I pray beside the sea, my prayer is going right away to the heaven. And God will hear me right away. Because nobody distracted me in the sea, in the beach, while meditate in prayer. I want to thank God for 2024, although I struggle financially, but my health is okay. I don't have so much struggle for my health, but the financial, that's the always short in budget. I pray God that this coming year, God will bless me more abundantly and give me good health always. Yes, I pray God that I hope I wanna be a blessing to other people, especially the needy and the people who is people who really need help. So guys, good morning everyone. I love the sunlight every morning. The sun is in my back. See, before I start cleaning, I need to have sunlight in the balcony. What I like in this house is this balcony because the sun is always coming here when it's morning. At night, I love to look in the sky to see the moon and the stars. Very cold. My hand is so cold. See? Bye guys. Need to go back to my work to clean the house. My alaga has school today. Bye.